Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Talk Help Guy. So today I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain and hosting to your Hostinger website. So what you want to do is you want to open up Hostinger, go to website, and then this will appear. So currently we are in the help center. So I'm doing this so I can better show you how to do it. So if you open the websites tab, this will appear, this interface. So if you already have a website, what you want to do is you want to click on edit website right here, and then this interface will appear. Go on the upper part of the screen, select connect domain, and then just click on connect domain. You will be redirected to another page. Here, it's very simple. You just write the domain that you want to connect and click on next. Afterwards, just follow the next instructions. And from here on, what you want to do is if you're connecting a preview domain, so the preview name is automatically generated. And what you want to do is you just want to click on connect domain. And afterwards, that's it. You have connected your domain already with Hostinger. Now, if you want to change the domain, you can of course click on the three dots and just go to change domain. Now, if you don't have a website, it's best to create one right away. And you can do that through the websites tab again by just clicking on add website and then go to Hostinger website builder. And if you want to connect the domain to Hostinger, just repeat the steps. So go to website, click on edit website, select on the upper part of the screen connect domain, hit on the next but enter the domain name rather, and then click on next. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. We were able to help you out in connecting your domain and hosting to Hostinger. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button as we will be featuring more videos on Hostinger and other domain websites only here on Telhelp Guy.